How would you like to double your income in the next 24 hours? I'm going to show you one technique that, if used properly, you can literally double your income overnight. Here's the thing. I had to max out all my credit cards to learn this one technique. So I'm going to use it on you in this video, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I did it. All right, so I'm going to share everything with you. So first, I want you to think about where your credit card is right now. Is it in your wallet? Is it in your purse? Is it in your car? All this kind of stuff. All right, so now that you've done that, I want you to forget about it. All right, don't be wondering about where your credit card is, all that kind of stuff, or if it's on your phone, all this. Just be with me, be present right here. All right, so this technique cost me over $20,000 US to get it. So I'm going to ask you a question. How much do you think it would cost you to learn this technique? Especially if I show you how to double your income. So it cost me over $20,000 US. How much do you think I should charge you to learn this one technique that will literally double your income? What do you think is fair? How much do you think it would be worth to you? So think about how much income you're making right now. And if I showed you one technique to double your income, literally overnight, how much would you pay me? It's a good question. Okay, I want to set your mind at ease. I'm not charging you a nickel, not one penny. So the technique I'm using on you right now is called the INCEPTION CLOSE. So shortly, I'm going to explain exactly how it works. So you have to watch this video to the very end. If you skip to the end, it's not going to work, and you're going to miss a lot of important information, because right from the very beginning of the video, I'm using the technique on you, and I want to explain to you exactly how it works as we go. So this is one technique that you can use. There's no mindset, there's no framework, there's no hype, there's no aggression, there's no pressure, there's no guilt, none of that, okay? This is the process that you need to use in your next presentation, all right? So you have to use it very carefully. I'm serious, it's that powerful. So I'm giving it to you for free. It's yours. You can use it to double your income. So when you do try this out, I want you to come back to this video and comment and let me know what you think, and let me know if it works for you. All right. So this is the technique that every sales guru is using in their advertising, in their courses, in their pitches, in their presentations, in their webinars, all this kind of stuff. Every one of them. Dan Locke, Grant Cardone, Ty Lopez, Gary Vaynerchuk, yes, even Gary Vaynerchuk, Taylor Welch, Peyton Welch, Brian Rose, Dan Henry, Alaric Heck, Russell Brunson, and the list, Dan Pena, the list goes on forever. Tony Robbins, Eli Wild, you name it. It's out there. They are using it on you, and you don't even know it. And I'm going to share it with you. So let me just guess for a second. You've watched all these ads. You may even have tried some of these courses. Some people call them get rich. They're not all get rich, but there's always something missing. There's one little mechanism, one thing that is missing, because you're like, man, I'm not finding the results. Well, I'm here to say it's not your fault. They're purposely holding one thing back from you. All right? Because I'm telling you, if you don't figure this out, you're going to endlessly buy courses forever, and it'll never end. But once you get on the inside and you become unplugged, so to speak, the whole world opens up to you, and you can see it everywhere. So why am I sharing this with you? Why right now? Well, I'm kind of tired of seeing this technique being used on innocent people daily. And I'm not 100% sure that this video won't get taken down. It's that powerful. I'm probably going to get a lot of flack. I'm probably going to get blackballed from the industry. And I'm friends with a lot of these people on Facebook. So, and this is a technique that was used on me, and I didn't see it coming. And I promise you, if you don't know this technique, you won't see it coming. But I'm sharing it with you because if you use ethics, you can double your income. So a little bit about me. I was a certified inbound closer through Sales Mentor. I bought every course with Sales Mentor. I bought them all. So I bought the accelerator program, the done for you, the certified inbound closer program that was $2,000. I bought the coaching, $8,800 US. So I bought it all, became certified. Then I became a sales sniper. If you don't know who they are, look them up. I was trained by Matt Ryder, Jeremy Miner, two of the best sales people in the world, on the planet, literally on the planet. So enough about me. So how does it work to doubling your income? Here it is. If you can master this one thing, I promise you it will work. So it's one word: belief. So here's how the inception close works. In order for you to sell anything to anyone, they have to believe for literally 3 seconds that it's possible. They don't have to necessarily believe that it's possible for them, but they just have to believe that there is a possibility of this mechanism that you have will work. That's all. They just need 2-3 seconds. That's it. So if they believe it can work, your job is to answer all the questions that pop up in their head during your video presentation like this, and in your pitch, your online presentation. Maybe you're on a Zoom call, a webinar, whatever it is. So you have to get them to believe that whatever it is that you're about to offer can actually work. So in this case, at the very beginning of the video, I said, how would you like to double your income? So for a smidgen, you have to believe that there is something out there, a technique, a strategy that can actually help you double your income. You have to believe that for a second. That's all it takes. So then my job is to answer all the questions that pop up in your head. How does this work? How can I trust you? All this kind of stuff. All these questions, and you have to answer them in the specific order, exactly what I'm doing in this video. So if you believe for 1 second, I have you. And then, like I said, my job is just to answer all the questions. So all you have to do for the inception close to work is get them to believe your technique. Get them to believe that your technique could actually work and answer all their questions. So if I said I was going to show you how to make $100,000, $500,000, $1 million overnight, you would probably check out and go watch a different video. I've lost you forever. So go try this out. Write it down. Use it in your next presentation. Because once you can get them to believe that this mechanism, this shiny new object, whatever it is that you have, can actually work, your job is then to answer all of the rest of their questions. So if you don't know how to put this all together in a nice little package, then email me at inceptioncloser@gmail.com, and I'll put it in the description as well. And again, feel free to comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you think it works. Try it out. Let me know in the comments, and I appreciate your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and I will see you in another video. Bye for now.